So students, in this lecture, we will discuss the terms pharmaceutical quality audit. So this quality audit is categorized or classified into two different types, that is internal audit and the regulatory audit. Now, before going to the types, we must know that what is this pharmaceutical quality audit? This is the audit that is done in your pharmaceutical industry. The purpose of this audit is the inspection of the processes that are being performed in your pharmaceutical industry for manufacturing the tablets, syrups, injections, or any other pharmaceutical product. So the ultimate purpose is to assess either they are meeting the requirements. This is the audit. This audit is actually the quality control mechanism assessment. Now, in pharmaceutical industries, the main purpose of audits is to assess the company's finances plus the quality of their products. Now, what are the different types of audits? Whatever is the type of the audit, the ultimate purpose is to assess either you are achieving your goals and objectives or not. Now, what are the types? The first type is the internal audit and the second one is the regulatory audit. Now, what is the internal audit? Internal audit is the audit that is done within your pharmaceutical industry by your higher authorities, by the higher managers. For example, the audit of your quality control processing by the QC manager, by the plant manager. So the ultimate purpose is to assess the internal control system, to check your policies and the operations that either they are according to standard or not. Their purpose is to prevent the errors and the faults that are being that are in your processes or in the documentation, and the ultimate purpose is to safeguard the assets to gain the profit. Now, in pharmaceutical industry, basic purpose is to check two main things. First one is your departmental activities, your quality control, and the second one is the maintenance of the documents. Definitely that is required by the higher authorities. That is also essential for the assessment of your finances. Then the term regulatory audit. Now, this is the audit that is actually done by the third party in a pharmaceutical industry. For example, we have FDA, we have DRAP. So they will assure that either you are going right, you are eligible for the certificates, you are eligible for the registrations or not. So students, this was all about the quality control audit.